Hey guys, now we are going to make a simple yet a smart weight converter. What we will do is we will ask the user his or her weight, then we will ask the weight unit to which the weight needs to be converted, and finally we will do the calculation and show the result to the user. So this seems a cool example to do, right? And I hope you are going to enjoy doing this example. So let's get started. Okay, here on the first line, we are going to ask the weight of the user, and we will hold the weight value in a variable. We will call that variable weight equals input, and this input will say, hey user, please type your weight, and we will store that weight value in this weight variable. Typecast the string value to integer. Only then we can use the weight in our calculations. Okay, next we are going to ask the unit of the weight to which the weight needs to be converted. It can be either kg or lb. So let's create another variable unit input, and here we will ask the user convert weight to kg or lb. So here user will type either kg or lb, and based on that we will write our conversion formula. Okay, so now we have both weight and unit values. Now check whether the unit is kg or lb. So let's write if unit equals kg. That means the weight of user is in lb and he wants to convert it into kg. So let's write the formula to convert, and to hold the result value we will create a variable, and because that will hold the weight in kg, so let's write the variable name as weight kg, and it will get the value from the formula, and the formula is weight divided by 2.2. So this weight which is in lb, we divide it by 2.2, and that gives us the weight in kg. We can show it now to the user. So let's write print weight in kg is, and here we will concatenate the weight value, and as you can see it's highlighted yellow, and it says expected type string got float instead. So we need to convert this float value to string, and we can do that using stir function. And now we are done for the kg conversion. Next we will write else. That means if user did not type unit as kg, instead he typed lb. So here under else we will convert the weight to lb. That means the weight of the user is in kg and that needs to be converted to lb. So down here under else we will calculate the weight in lb. So let's create variable for that weight lb, and its value will come from the formula which is weight times 2.2. Here the weight is in kg, and to convert it to lb we simply multiply it by 2.2. So finally we can print weight in lb is. Again the weight lb variable is float, so to concatenate it with string we will use stir function and pass weight lb to it, and so our calculation for lb is also completed. Now let's run our program and see what we did. Okay, so here terminal is asking for weight. Let's see, my weight in kg is 60 and I want to convert that to lb. So I will give lb as unit, and here I get my weight in lb which is 132. Let's run the program again. This time let's say I want to convert weight from lb to kg, and in lb my weight is 132 kg and I get 59.99, and rounding off this decimal part will simply give us 60. Beautiful. So our weight converter is ready to be used. To summarize, on the first line we ask the user his weight and store that value in this weight variable. On the next line we ask the unit of conversion, and we store that unit kg or lb inside unit variable. So if the unit is kg, then we write the formula to convert the weight into kg, and print on the console. But if the unit was LB, this condition will be false and the else part will execute and will convert the weight to LB and show to the user.